Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a strawberry daiquiri. To make this drink, we're going to start with the strawberry syrup, and I'm going to put 1 ounce of the homemade strawberry syrup into my shaker. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. For the lime juice, I'm going to give you some varieties. I'll give you some choices. My wife likes these tart. I like them sweet. So me, half an ounce will work. For my wife, a full ounce of lime juice will work. Because I'm making this for general purposes, I'm going to split the middle, and we're going to put 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. Then 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add your ice, and give it a shake. Coupe, and just an ancestral coupe if you have one, otherwise any coupe will work. I'm going to single strain in here. You can double strain if you'd like. And then a garnish. Because this is a daiquiri, a lime wheel would work perfectly. Because it's strawberry, a little strawberry on a skewer or cut on the edge would be great too. I've got these little strawberry dehydrated chips. My wife loves them, so I'm going to float a couple of those on the top. And there you have it, strawberry daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.